How not to use facial cleansers.
This stuff, this rare earth deep pore deep cleanser from Kiehls stuff. I don't know, is it good? Do you like it? I can't tell the difference when I use it. So first, you know, let's follow the steps here and wash our hands. Let's wash our face up a little bit, right? And then let's start with this. I'll start with this one. Let's pour this sucker out. Oink. Real exfoliation there, you know. Just make sure you get your whole face. You want to turn into like a Casper lookalike, like if you were trying to do a casting for Casper, you know. So maybe a little bit more of this, like that. Okay, good. That should be good. I look pretty white now. Probably leave this on for like 2 minutes. I think that's long enough. Wash our hands a little bit here. Wash our face. Let's see here. It's looking pretty good. Okay, all right, we're done with that one. See, now we've got rare earths in our face, okay? This one is a facial fuel, and it says broad spectrum SPF 20. Now that SPF 20 means you're gonna be super fly, so you wanna apply this last to make sure it lasts long. See that, hands? This method that I'm using, well-known method for us men. Am I supposed to wash this stuff off? Oh shit, my eye's burning. Oh damn, my eye's burning. Let me wash it off. My eye's burning. My eye's burning! I can't see. All right, we'll have to restart this video. I guess this stuff works really well. Even my eyes turned blue.